you? Welcome to my vlog. For today's video is I am gonna do a unboxing because I have a GoPro Hero 7 Black and then I only have one battery and I ordered on Amazon like 2 packs battery because I need an extra battery, and then a charger. So I have here LCD camera battery charger, and then there's a battery two batteries extra for my Hero 7 Black. So let's open it. Ooh, looks cool. This one, it's a Smile Powo. It said Smile Powo. That's the brand. And I bought this on Amazon like $22. I bought this one. This is the charger. And then it looks like there's something in here. Ooh, there's one thing. There's a cord in here. It's a Smile Powo. Look. And then I'm not gonna use this for now because I don't have anything like this, and then that's the charger, and then there's one here, the batteries, 2 batteries, and there's a box on it. 2 batteries, that's all. 2. Like this. I have 2 batteries now for my Hero 7 Black. And there's it said here there's a indicator. What's here? Caution, charge at room temperature, unplug the power source when not in use. Please do not charge the unsuitable batteries, otherwise may damage the batteries and charger. Children should use the charger accompanied by an adult. Do not deassemble or operate the charger if it is damaged in any way. So there's an indicator in here, LCD indicator. I will try this one if it's work. Okay, I'm gonna charge it in here. I have a wire, this one from my GoPro 7, so I'm gonna use this instead the one that's built in. I'm gonna use this one from the GoPro when I bought my GoPro. I'm gonna use this one. And there's a manual in here, user guide. I'm not gonna read that. maybe someday. Okay, so let's try to charge this. So here guys, I am charging it right now. 2 batteries. I put 2 batteries there, and there's a battery indicator so that you can see if it's full or not. So here it is. That's the 2 batteries. So I'm gonna wait until it's gonna full charge, and I'm gonna try to use one of it. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. Bye for now.
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get notified for new updates.